lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. It's Farrah, and today I'm going to share with you 4 different accessories that can transform any outfit. But before we get started, yes, I am filming in the toilet. My room at the moment is currently being redecorated, so there's literally no wallpaper on any of the walls. So yeah, it's currently being redecorated. So instead of trying to film in there, I'm just going to film in here. And it's a lot brighter. Like this is quite nice. So my first item are headbands. Headbands are definitely something that can transform any outfit and any hairstyle as well. I've been wearing this headband so much, and can you just tell the difference? And it kind of pairs the two together, especially if you get a headband that matches your outfit colour. Finish an outfit off and look really elegant and pretty. Yeah, that's my first item. My next item are ribbons and hair bows. I think ribbons and hair bows have been made to kind of have this idea of quite a childish look, like, you know, JoJo bows. I think if you wear them correctly and you have a good hair bow that doesn't look too childish, you can definitely get away with wearing them. I think this one definitely is a little bit too childish for me. I did order this one online, so I wasn't too sure how it was going to turn out. But I definitely would say get a hair ribbon and yeah, just even tie it around a ponytail. It definitely will make a difference in your outfit, and I think your hairstyles will look amazing as well. The next thing that can definitely transform an outfit are necklaces and earrings. Things like this. I love pearls, rose gold necklaces, and as well just silver necklaces like this really can transform any outfit. I definitely would suggest the pearls. I love wearing pearls. I think they can give you a very mature look. They can really dress an outfit up even with wearing just a plain t-shirt. Adding a pearl necklace can really do something for the outfit. I would suggest necklaces, earrings as well. Pearl earrings, they're my favourite. And the last thing I'm going to show you are bags. They can definitely transform any outfit depending on what type of bag you have. And also one thing that I love about bags as well is it doesn't have to have a big name brand all over the bag, which I definitely think it makes it very classy. If it just is something like this, you don't know the style or you don't know who it's made by, something that doesn't just like say Gucci on it. And they can really make an outfit just look dressed up depending on what type of bag you have, especially if it's a statement bag. So that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, please check out my blog. I will link it here. On my blog you will find a lot more fashion content. Definitely go check that down below. I will link it in the description bar. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I am very active on there, and I hope you guys have a lovely day. Thank you for watching.